The Pune Warriors, the local team, taking on the Mumbai Indians. And here we go. It's a West Side story. Mitchell Johnson will start proceedings with the new ball from the pavilion end. Uthappa, the man on strike. Bat hitting the ground, bit of a noise as the ball passed the bat.
You know, the last 3 games, that's what we're aiming for.
It's a good hit. Pick-up shot there from Aaron Finch. Will get him his first boundary and his side the first boundary. In the air, straight to the field, and he's gone. Ball just stopping of the batsman. Perfect example what H.D. Ackerman was mentioning earlier. It loses about 19 Ks off the pitch, and Finch into the shot a little too early, and a straightforward catch to Dwayne Smith. Once again struck on the pad, and up goes the finger. He's given him this time, and look good to me.
Gets a long way across Malinga, straight, he's full, and again that one clattering into middle and leg stump. Big shout, no ball this time to save Robin Uthappa.
Another Yorker, but what a shot! Would you believe it? He's easily put that away. Look, for a moment he might have been in trouble, but Yuvraj Singh gets his front leg out of the way, and right from the middle of the bat. Great start this for the left-hander.
Wow, here we go. Here we go. Yes, bank, and it's halfway up it.
Halfway up the bank, was it, Robin? It was a sweetly timed shot.
Here we go. Again. Oh, loving it. Here on a Saturday afternoon from UV.
And again he goes. 6 more. Man back there out. Full toss, didn't get all of it. And simply held by Radu on the deep square leg boundary. Gotta go. Direct hit, that should be out.
Sure is. Bad call. Really bad call. And Matthews is going to have to head back because it's a good throw and the poles are out of the ground. Yuvraj thought he was going to the danger end.
Big shot for LBW. He's had a long hard look and he's given him. He took his time, Asad Ralph, but eventually decided that Yuvraj has to go.
Long on, should take it easily. Harbhajan Singh takes a simple catch in the deep, and Mitchell Johnson picks up yet another wicket. He's had a great tournament, and Mumbai have done really well with the ball in the last 5 or 6 overs. He's called for it. Rohit Sharma there, get the single in the end. Harbhajan Singh in the action. Is he going to celebrate? No, he's fairly subdued. He's just given it out. The second catch for Harbhajan Singh in the deep, and the Mumbai Indians are getting wickets at regular intervals. Would you believe it? They were 84 for 2. Now 109 for 7. This time we're safe. They look for 2 and will get it. Bhuvneshwar Kumar gets off the mark with a couple. Now long off this time. Oh, very casual in the beginning. In the end, you'll have to say Dwayne Smith has pulled out a stunner.
I think he misjudged it badly to start with. And he's pretty relieved. Goodness me. I mean, it's turned out to be quite a spectacular catch, but it needn't have been. Middle down to long off. And he's run in too soon, and oh hello, it's gone over my head. Better catch it left-handed. There we go. Great misjudgment, but great recovery. Well done. So 20 overs gone, 112, 113 to win this game.
Bowled in first ball. Dinder strikes. Welcome back to the attack, Ashok Dinder. A nod of approval from Alan Donald and a wry smile as Dwayne Smith makes his way back. And he's got 4 here. Got inside it. Another short delivery from Dinder. This might be 2 now. Didn't quite hit it where he wanted to, Tendulkar, but he's got the desired result. It's 4 more to end the over. 3 gone, 17 for 1. And there's another one to add to the list. So keep putting them up, fellas. Tendulkar's got a boundary. Oh, has he hit that too well? He has, and he's gone. He just tried to nudge it down the ground, but found the middle of the bat. And Tendulkar is gone.
Top edge. And don't worry about it, Dinder, at 6. Yes, banker, you beauty. All the way. Timing. Through the covers. There's another boundary. Straight up and gone. Yuvi gives it the send-off for Kartik. He's got to start and he's got out. Wonderful wrist work. Maybe got it a little bit edgy and not quite where it was supposed to go from Sharma, but it's a boundary nonetheless. Much needed for the Mumbai Indians.
Got to be thinking wickets, the Pune Warriors. That single bring up the 50 of the innings.
Outside edge, a genuine nick, a false stroke, and it will cost Bhuvaneshwar Kumar 4 runs. Down the track, full-blooded, and miles back, way back, clean as.
Cut away. Work to be done. Too much. 4. And again through mid-wicket. This will be 8 off 2. Lovely stroke by Raidu. That's pulled away. Man back there. Have they got a chance? They have. A little wicket. Wonderful catch by Angelo Matthews. Raidu's gone for 26. Pulled away. That'll be 4 for Maxwell. Just helped on its way. Pulled powerfully and all the way. This is what they paid him for. Edged out. I was about to say, why has he not got a slip? He doesn't need one. He's got a short third man. There it is. Harbhajan finishes it off. Over extra cover it goes. A little bit of a dance as well from the character. And the Mumbai Indians win comfortably by 5 wickets.